The following video is test purpose only. This has been previously played, so I'm not going to go ahead and do the monitoring for it.
Service in Hanford, California has issued a tornado warning for central Fresno County in central California. This includes the cities of Fresno, Clovis, South Central Madera County in central California until 4 o'clock p.m. At 3:23 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Fresno, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter.